hope you got a chance to watch this smoothie demo, but today the custard that we used to make this smoothie, we are going to use this custard, so many other things. So firstly, let's make the custard. So in here I have some cinnamon, nutmeg, clove and milk. I am going to add sugar to sweeten, put on the fire, let the sugar dissolve. Let it cool. While it is cooling, I am going to use 1 egg and my homemade potato starch. Mix that together. Then I'm adding the cool mixture that we just put together in it. Then put it back on the fire and let it thicken. Once it is thickened, we're going to remove it and use it. French toast. I made a smoothie as you previously saw. That link would be in the cards above. You can use it for ice cream. You can use it for so many delicious desserts. For example, you can even make a custard pudding. You can even make a cake like a normal sponge cake and just add the custard. You could have it as a drink as itself. It is endless. Thanks for watching.